Understanding your laundry personality has the potential to simplify one of the most dreaded tasks, laundry. Our next blog post and video essay will go through the 4 most common laundry personalities and a few tips and tricks on how to complement them. A recent survey done by Hello Laundry found that 25% of families claim to overload their washers frequently. On top of that, 80% of people intentionally overload their washers to avoid doing a second round of laundry. If this sounds like you may want to consider investing in a front-load washing machine. A front-load washer has a higher capacity than top-load washer and actually can clean clothing better with less water. Next up, we have the small loader. The survey also revealed that 60% of people admit to doing a full load of laundry for less than 6 items. Doing a full load of laundry for only a few items can be harmful to the environment and your electricity bill. If time permits, consider hand washing your items or taking them to the dry cleaners. We also have the super sorter. 22% of respondents would rather not combine various colored products in the same load. This is an important step in the laundry process. However, it is important to give yourself grace when pairing like colors with like colors. To make laundry day easier, consider buying a few laundry room baskets or hampers and separate your colors amongst them. Finally, we have the delegator. Most dry cleaners, including ourselves at Urban Valet Dry Cleaners, offer a wash and fold service priced by the pound. Our process includes washing, drying, and neatly folding your clothes just how you like them. This service is for items that can be safely washed in water and dried, but not pressed. If you're interested in delegating this task to us, please reach out for more pricing information. If you recognized yourself in any of these laundry personalities, I hope you were able to take away some tips and tricks to make your laundry day a whole lot easier. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are always here to help.